out of time is this.
Yeah.
1 minute is this.
Yeah.
30 seconds is this.
No, just
One minute.
again. 30 seconds, 1
1
minute.
minute, 30 seconds. That's it. Topic 4.
No card.
No
No card.
Interpret on if you accidentally go in a gay bar.
तेरा फेवरेट टॉपिक है भाई.
Man, this is India, man. We want to actually, we should.
ड्रीम है तेरा ड्रीम जॉब.
I doubt about intentions of Bharat. What are your intentions of Bharat?
I see myself as an Indian, a member of an Indian constituency of a higher position. And with this new rule that we need to stop under section 377, that we need to stop the gays and homosexual acts. So, seeing all the protests that have been done in India and being appointed by India government in order to explore out new opportunities down the line. So I visit to a country, a new state in USA, where it's actually legalized to have all this gay stuff and all these things done. What I need to understand there is what are the emotions which are concerned, the emotions that are linked to people who are of the same gender and who are in short attracted to each other. So how do we do that? I went to a place in Illinois in US. I went to a bar. It was Adams and Adams bar. I thought that it should have been named Adam and Eve, but why is it named Adam and Adam? But I went inside that bar. I found that there are too many people inside there and which are living and pausing around. But this actually, being an Indian since a very long time and since I'm not aware of all this stuff, it seemed quite difficult for me to adjust and see all these situations happening in front of me. But I went to a couple there and I asked them about what's your experience. What they said, that people say that we are quite unnatural in our behavior. But what we need to understand is that when we as two individuals, if we are trying to love each other, then what matters? Why do we need to care about a society? And how does the society have the power to stop the individuals from expressing their love or interest? If they are happy and satisfied among themselves, why does the society need to object them? Just blaming it under natural science or something which is quite natural. So this was my experience about that bar. That's it.
अब इसको स्टॉप करना है तो
ये वाला सर.